Hello, beautiful people. I hope you guys are all doing fine. This is Armando from Armando Media. I know you guys are all waiting for your GV 2025 Diversity Loyalty result. Yeah, this is that moment. The month of May is always that month to check on your GV Loyalty results. So if you want to check on those results, you can always use this video or check the YouTube cards right up there. But from now, it's impossible because the website are still closed and they will be open only on this Saturday, 4th of May at exactly 12 p.m. EDT, that is Eastern Daylight Time. On that day, the GV Loyalty website will be open for everyone and you will be able to check on your GV Loyalty result. So I wish you all the best. You don't need to panic if at all you respected all the requirements for the GV Loyalty. For those who maybe failed to respect all those GV Loyalty requirements, for example, like the photos, photo size and everything, because we know we always use the wrong photos. I made some videos on how to use your smartphone, how to use your camera to take a beautiful photo for the GV Loyalty. I also show you on how to crop your photos using the photo tool, which is highly recommended by the GV Loyalty. I also show you on how to use Photoshop, which is what I highly recommend for everyone because I have full control of what I am doing. So just stick around, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, make sure you comment down below, make sure you like this video, and why not share it with your friends. Sharing is loving. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I will answer it right away. Until then, I will see you by Saturday, where I will make a video on how to retrieve your confirmation number for those who don't have their confirmation number anymore. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye for now.